Hey, John here. It's like 3,000 degrees, Florida, July 18th or so, I guess. I'm working on the fence every Friday. Sorry about the sun. I'm working on the fence, but I haven't put up one section of fence. I've been working out here for 2 hours. Yeah. Most of the fence work here. Sorry about the sun. Concerns. Oh, tarp's heavy. It's using the tarp to put. I cleaned all this up. There's a tree there that was dead, laying there for years. Oh, I gotta sit down. So, there's my jungle. Is still there. It hasn't gone anywhere. It's grown back where I bush hogged. I had a big pile there of brush, pile there of brush, pile here of brush, pile up there of brush. Now I got all that to go. So I had to pull the load up the tarp and pull it. I couldn't walk the whole way to the street. The city picks up all that stuff. So I had a little game. I started to do 20 paces, 40 seconds rest. I made it. So, yeah. Didn't get much fence up today. I'm gonna go get some Gatorade and come back and try to put up some fence. So I had to walk all this way. It's probably 125 feet. Trim that bush. Now every Friday I'm trying to work out here. Give the rentals a rest. So I had to walk all this way. It's my attempt at growing food. I think it's collard greens. Walk all the way up here and dump it. It's my neighbor Gary. Hey Gary.
Hey John.
Hot enough for you?
It's awfully hot.
How are the chickens?
They're alright.
Yeah?
I'm down 3.
Where'd they go?